outdoor light timers are essential devices designed to automate and control the illumination of outdoor spaces. These timers offer convenience, energy efficiency, and enhanced security to both residential and commercial settings. By setting specific schedules, users can program their outdoor lights to turn on and off automatically at desired times. Featuring a weather-resistant construction, outdoor light timers can withstand various environmental conditions, including rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. They are typically equipped with user-friendly interfaces, allowing easy programming and customization of lighting schedules. With options for multiple on-off settings throughout the day, these timers enable homeowners to create the illusion of occupancy, deterring potential intruders during their absence. Furthermore, outdoor light timers help conserve energy by ensuring that lights are only active when needed. This feature is particularly useful for landscape lighting, pathway illumination, or decorative lights, reducing electricity consumption and lowering utility costs. Overall, outdoor light timers provide a practical and efficient solution for managing outdoor lighting, offering convenience, safety, and energy savings to enhance any outdoor environment. Hi my friends! Join my channel for an exciting exploration of amazing outdoor light timers. Subscribe now for a thrilling journey to discover these exceptional devices with me. Fosmon, an impressive brand, has secured the 5th position in our rankings after a comprehensive evaluation. Their outdoor remote timer is a standout product that offers convenience and versatility. With a simple click of the RF remote, you can control your outdoor lighting, pool, and fountains without stepping outside of your house. The remote has an impressive 80-foot range and can work through obstructions like doors, walls, and furniture. The electrical timer outlet is equipped with a light sensor, allowing it to automatically turn on your patio lights or holiday decorations at dusk and turn them off after a set time interval, ranging from 2 to 8 hours, or until dawn. Setting the timer is a breeze thanks to the easy-to-turn dial, and the schedule will repeat daily until cancelled. Durability is a key feature of this outdoor timer. It can operate in temperatures ranging from -13 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for various weather conditions. Its rugged casing and rainproof design ensure it can withstand wind, rain, heat, and cold. The timer also prioritizes safety with its 3-prong grounded outlet, protecting against electric shocks and fire hazards. It has undergone rigorous testing and is certified by ETL for peace of mind. The Photoelectric timer is rated 125V 60Hz 15A, 1875W, making it suitable for most appliances, outdoor lighting, and holiday decorations. It also comes with a 7-inch SJTW 14AWG grounded power cord and has a capacity of 1/2 HP, making it ideal for use with fountains and pool pumps. Fosmon's outdoor remote timer combines functionality, durability, and safety, making it a top choice for controlling your outdoor electrical devices. Brightone has rightfully earned its position as the 4th-ranked outdoor light timer on our prestigious list. This lamp timer boasts a Photocell light sensor that automatically turns on at dusk and off at dawn, based on the sensor's induction. This feature saves you time and enhances your holiday experience. The timer is designed with user-friendliness in mind, offering multiple timing modes such as on-off, dusk-dawn, and 2, 4, 6, or 8-hour intervals to cater to your various needs. With its waterproof black exterior and 3 available sockets, this outdoor timer plug is both convenient and practical. Crafted with high-quality materials and exquisite craftsmanship, it is eco-friendly and durable. The timer is UL certified, ensuring safety, reliability, and longevity surpassing similar products on the market. Equipped with a light-sensitive smart switch, this electric timer is energy efficient and compatible with a wide range of outdoor lights, garden lights, rope lights, fans, swimming pool lights, small outdoor fountains, and pool pumps. It serves as an excellent household item. The 3 outlets on the timer allow simultaneous control of Christmas lights and outdoor pool pumps, along with other electrical equipment. In summary, Brytown's outdoor light timer is a top-notch choice, offering automatic lighting control, convenience, durability, and compatibility with various outdoor devices. It enhances your outdoor lighting experience while providing peace of mind with its safety certifications. BN-Link has firmly established itself as a worthy contender, securing an impressive 3rd position on our prestigious list. The updated outdoor 24-hour timer from BN-Link features a smart photocell that detects dusk or darkness, automatically turning your lights on or off. This sensor timer outlet allows you to schedule the activation and deactivation of your yard lights or seasonal decorations every day. Simply plug in your lights, adjust the dial, and let the timer handle the rest. This not only adds convenience, but also helps you save energy and reduce your electricity bill by eliminating wasteful standby power. The timer works seamlessly with a variety of outdoor appliances, making it ideal for use in backyards, patios, lawns, gardens, and landscapes. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly plugging and unplugging devices. With the BN-Link timer, you can effortlessly automate the operation of your outdoor appliances. You can program it to turn on at dusk and off at dawn, or set a countdown to automatically switch off after 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours post-dusk. Enjoy the convenience without the need for constant bending or manual adjustments. Designed with a weather-resistant cover, this Photocell timer outlet can be used both indoors and outdoors. It is perfect for yard lighting, patio lighting, holiday decorations, and more. The timer outlet accommodates up to 2 devices simultaneously with its 6-inch cord, making it a practical and space-saving solution for multiple outdoor lighting needs in a single area. BN-Link's outdoor 24-hour timer offers advanced functionality, energy efficiency, weather resistance, and versatility, making it a top choice for automating and controlling your outdoor lighting and appliances. Fosmon, a highly esteemed and renowned brand, has rightfully secured the 2nd position on our prestigious top list. Their automatic light sensor countdown timer offers exceptional control over your electric devices based on the schedule you set. Whether you need them on, off, dusk to dawn, or on at dusk and off after 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours, this timer has got you covered. The schedule can be repeated daily for added convenience. With the wireless remote, you can easily turn on and off your outdoor Christmas light decorations, yard lights, lamps, pool pump, sprinkler, and fountain from the comfort of your room. No need to brave bad weather conditions outside. The package includes a 12V 23A battery for the remote, ensuring immediate functionality. The RF remote is omnidirectional, allowing it to work through obstructions like furniture, walls, and doors. This feature makes it suitable for both outdoor and indoor use, particularly benefiting individuals with limited mobility or the elderly. You can effortlessly control your Christmas string lights, garden lights, patio lights, and security system from the convenience of your room using the remote. Featuring a dual outlet design, this timer can withstand even the harshest weather conditions with its IP rating 32. The rainproof and rugged casing ensures optimal performance during rain, wind, or snow. Fosmon's automatic light sensor countdown timer combines convenience, durability, and weather resistance to provide reliable and efficient control over your electrical devices. At the top of our list, the BN-Link brand has secured its position with absolute excellence. Their 24-hour plug-in mechanical timer offers energy-saving features and convenient automation for your outdoor lights, fountains, and decorations. Simply set the timer and forget about it. The timer is protected by a weather-resistant cover, making it suitable for use in various conditions. It is ideal for enhancing your yard lighting, landscape lighting, and outdoor Christmas decorations. With the BN-Link mechanical timer outlet, you can create the desired ambience for when you return home. It helps make your home appear lived in even when you're away. Simply press down the pins to set the desired range of time for your attached appliance to turn on. The timer repeats the settings daily, providing consistent automation. This allows you to water your plants without constant intervention and enjoy the holiday spirit without incurring excessive costs. The timer is built with heavy-duty materials, ensuring durability and safety. It features 2 grounded outlets, allowing you to connect up to 2 devices simultaneously. This makes it a versatile and practical solution for your outdoor needs. BN-Link's 24-hour plug-in mechanical timer combines ease of use, energy savings, and reliability. It offers a simple yet effective way to automate your outdoor appliances and create a lived-in appearance for added security. With its durable construction and multiple outlets, this timer provides a convenient and safe solution for managing your outdoor electrical devices. Your feedback on outdoor light timers is highly appreciated. Your active participation and thoughts are crucial for our continuous improvement. Thank you for your valuable support. It means a lot to us.